Well, today we're going to talk a little bit about source and what source is and kind of how we're all connected through it. So we've we've talked a little bit before about source and what source is. What source is is everything everywhere all at once. It is everything that has ever existed and will ever exist. And when I say everything, I mean every sentience, every situation, every drama, every joy, every sorrow. All of that is energy, and that energy is all combined to create source. Now, source is constantly moving and growing. It's seeking to learn and expand itself at all times. And so that's where we come in when we are, and it also, source kind of gets a little bored of itself, experiencing everything all at the same time. Eventually, like there are limits. And so what source has done is created different pieces of itself to expand and learn and grow. And that's where we all come in. So at the very, very center of every single one of our hearts is source. That is where you find source. Source is not in a central sun. Source is not out there. Source is in here. And at the very center of my heart is the original source point. And the very center of your heart is also the exact same original source point. Every single one of us, if you go deep enough into your heart, you'll find source. And what you'll start finding is the more that you expand into that source and start expanding that into yourself, the more that you remember